Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Are you having a hard time finding that perfect Tundra for under $25,000? Impossible, you say? Stick around, let me tell you about this thing. This is our 2013 Toyota Tundra. This thing is in outstanding condition. It was a one-owner truck. I love the blackout package on that black grille insert with the chrome surround. Looks really nice. I like the bumper there with the black insert on the chrome bumper. Looks really good. Of course, the black wheels look super sharp. Love that. You can see this one is going to be your double cab truck. That is so important. It is my preferred cab on a Tundra for the simple reason that you get plenty of space up front to comfortably fit your rear seat passengers, but you're not sacrificing that extra room in the bed where it matters. This is over 6 foot bed here. Plenty of room to haul anything you want. You can throw your four-wheeler on there, whatever you need. This one, of course, does have your tow package. You do have a 6,400 pound tow capacity with this one. Tons of thing. Love that soft drop tailgate. Soft drop tailgate, just pull it, drop it. Really smooth there. You see you do have your bed liner there. You do have your tonneau cover there. That is a trifold tonneau cover. Got the same thing on my truck. Absolutely love it. You have a quick release right in here. You just pull that down, flip it to the side, and it'll flip up in 3 pieces and then lock back there on the back. Lockable tailgate. Again, tires are in great condition. Coming back here, you see we're going to have tons of space to comfortably fit 3 passengers back here. Very comfortably fit 3 passengers. Underneath your seat, you're going to have that storage box there, and you can see tons of room for anything you want to haul around, and you have the same storage thing underneath the passenger seat. Of course, sliding rear window. You do have cup holders back here and a power outlet. Now, coming up front, you're going to see my favorite feature. Look at that. You have the folding center console. I absolutely love it. Gives you the ability to haul 6 passengers with that folding center console, and this is very hard to find. Of course, in here you're going to have tons of storage, and then this will flip up. Bam! Look at it. Plenty of room for a 3rd passenger up here. You do have storage underneath your seat, very nice. And you're going to have your, of course, all your power options. Little coin box right there. You're going to have the power mirrors, jellyfish launcher. This is going to allow you to adjust the height of your headlights so you can bring them up or down. So if you're towing something and your back squats a little bit, you can actually turn that to lower your headlights to keep them even and keep the road lit where you need all the time. Very good feature there. Fog lamps on this one. Cruise control. You do have your Tiptronic feature. Absolutely love where they put that shifter there, so you can shift up and down as you choose, which means if you're traveling across a mountain, you can use that to shift down and up to save wear and tear on your brakes. Awesome feature. If you don't know how Tiptronic works, go to my YouTube page, my tutorial section, and check out the tutorial on Tiptronic. 4-wheel drive, 4 high and 4 low. Of course, dual climate control, the feature that's said to have saved more marriages than marriage counselors. That's right. Premium audio, auxiliary input, cup holders up here, and again, 6 passengers. 6 passengers in this truck. Absolutely love it. And of course, it is a Tundra, which means rock solid. It is so easy to find these trucks out there running around with over 300,000 miles on them. They are just solid trucks. Extraordinarily solid trucks, very durable. And at City Motors, we are going to give you a 6-month, 7,500 mile warranty. that is coast to coast with roadside assistance. So if you are out of the area, have no fear. You can purchase here. We got you covered where you are. What about your processing fees? What? Processing fees? We don't have no stinking fees. No fees here at City Motors. We're not going to play the fee game with you. We are not going to be charging stupid processing fees. And I can tell you there are so many people out there playing stupid fee games with people. I was reading on a forum today, there are people charging 5%, 6% of the cost of the vehicle for processing fees. Insane. Do not pay those stupid markups. This truck is very clean and ready to go. You can call us at 540-433-7335. Text that number 24/7, but do it fast, because if you're looking, you already know how hard it is to find good, clean trucks for under $25,000. This is the one. Do not miss it. Get here soon. We hope to see you. Thanks for stopping by.